Hi there, welcome back. I have something else to share with you. This is a little dream catcher embellishment that I made. They are big enough to fit right down onto a pocket letter square. If you wanted to decorate your little pocket with this will work perfect. So yeah, I'm just going to show you how I made it. Real cute little thing here, a little dream catcher with some paper feathers that I cut off. So yeah, let's just get started. Let me show you how to make it. You will need your punch if you have one. I used my 1.5 inch punch for the main circle, and then I used my 1 inch for the center of my my circles here. The key is, though, you have to punch your smaller circle first before you do your larger circle, so you can make sure that you get this right in the center. Okay, so you're going to want to do just like that. You're going to want to make sure that that little circle is in the center of your larger one. And then you just punch, and you're going to need 3 of these to do one little dream catcher, okay? So I already have 3 cut. So they're all the same. The middle one you're not going to see, so it can be whatever scrap paper that you want or whatever. I'm going to use my Fabri-Tac to glue it down, okay? You can use, well, I wouldn't suggest to use hot glue because it's going to make it fat. It's not going to make it smooth. So you can use any kind of liquid glue that you have. Just don't use your hot glue because it's going to harden up and it's going to leave a ball, and it's not going to work. It's not going to lay flat like this. You'll have a bump in there, and you don't want that. So don't use hot glue. So your first piece, you're going to need some string. And the thinner the string, the better. So use like your sewing machine threads will work just fine. And you just want to cut off a little bit because you're going to be wrapping it around your piece here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of glue to hold my start of my string, like that. And it's kind of hard to see, like that. And then I'm just going to wrap this string around, just not too tight because you don't want to bend your circle up. So you just want to wrap it around and go in different directions, okay, until you get to about like that. You don't want to do it too much. And then you're going to want to do another little dab of glue, okay, just enough to hold your string down. You may have to hold it down for a little bit, just till it attaches, and it's going to stay there. Then your second piece, you're going to want to glue it to this piece here. Whoops. So you're going to put a small amount of glue on the inside, because you want your pattern paper to be on the outside if you use pattern paper. So make sure that you do it on whatever side you don't want showing, okay? And then I'm just going to place it right down on top of that circle, just like that. And I'm going to smash it down to make sure that it stays together, okay? Then I'm going to leave a little piece of that string there, and I'm going to put a couple, looks like a little line here of glue, and I'm going to use this string here, and I'm going to cut it. And this is going to be for my little feathers here. So then I'm just going to stick it down into the glue there. And then I'm going to do the same thing with this one on this side. Okay. Oops. And then you have your 3 strings just hanging there. Just leave them like that for now. Take your last circle and you're going to want to glue it down on top of those, okay? Just like that, okay? And just smash them together. All right. So for your little feather pieces, you can use pattern paper like this. You could probably even use washi tape if you really wanted to use washi tape. It's totally up to you what you want to do. I think I'm just going to do, just for the fact of the video, I'm just going to use some paper here, and I'm just going to hand cut them out. This little, I'm going to make like them blue because there is blue in here, so I'm just going to cut them down. It can be as big as you want, but not too big, because, you know, it is kind of a small little dream catcher. So then I'm not really sure how wide that is. I probably should measure that for you. Let me see. Just because you want to be able to fold them in half. So this is 2 inches. Okay, 2 inches long. Then you're just going to fold it in half, and then you're going to fold this one in half, and you're going to fold this one in half. Okay, then you're going to glue. Well, before you glue, you want to cut your strings like where you want your feathers to be. So and I'm cutting mine at different angle, different lengths, so they'll hang. So I don't know if you can see that there. I cut mine at 3 different lengths there. Then you're going to want to take one piece that you're going to use for your feather and glue the whole thing, because you're going to glue it right in half. And then you're going to pick like where you want it, and then you're going to place that string right in the center, and then you're going to close it to get together, okay, just like that. And you're going to do that for all of them, okay. And then you're going to close it up, okay, just like that. And then the last one, you're going to do the same thing. Glue the one side, put the string in the center like that. I don't know if you can see that. Let me get a little bit closer here so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, can you see that? See how I have that right in the center there? And then you just want to fold that down just like that, and let that glue dry a little bit before you cut to make your feathers. Okay, so let's zoom back out here. Okay, so then make sure that they're close together, and then you can kind of see how they're gonna lay and hang, and pretty cute. And now you gotta make your feather. So you're going to want to cut to make it kind of look like a feather. So just want to cut a bit of relic. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Kind of looks like a feather. Kind of looks like a feather. And you're going to want to do that on all of them. Okay. Okay, and then the last one. And again, you could use washi tape here if you want. So I'm just trying to shape this like I want it. Then once you get your feathers all cut like that, all like that, you want to cut the sides like this to make like the feather look. So you do that on all of them. Make them look like feathers. Like that. And I'll show you a close-up when we're all done, so you can get a really good view. And then maybe you can try and make one yourself. They're a little time consuming, but they're cute on the pocket letters. I've done them a couple times on my pocket letters, and they're really cute. So then maybe you can try it on your pocket letters. And you could use different kinds of paper if you didn't want to use, you know, something that matched. You could use whatever you wanted. You could use whatever was in your scraps. So there you have it. We have a mini dream catcher. Isn't that the cutest thing ever? Let me do a close-up here. You can see. Isn't that cute? So there you have it. There you have a mini dream catcher that will fit right down on your pocket letters. So yeah, hopefully I inspired you to try this and make one yourself. If you have any comments or questions, just leave them down below, and thanks for watching. Bye!